He does a lot of daydreaming.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where we discuss everything about natural hair. So today I am about to go get my hair blown out. This is my hair before the blowout. Lately my natural hair has felt like so much to manage, so I just wanted to give myself a break. When I got there, I told them I wanted a treatment and a blowout. I didn't have to wait long. I arrived around 9:30 a.m. The shampooing process was everything. I just love getting my scalp massaged and having someone else run their hands through my head for a change. Ugh, it was amazing. I like that they really treat the hair before they style it. So as you can see, this is me getting my hair treated. It's steaming the hair. I forgot the specific name for the treatment, but it really makes my hair feel soft and a lot more moisturized. So I was under there for about 30 minutes, and the steam doesn't get that hot. It actually feels refreshing, like feeling the steam. I don't know, I just like the steam. And they took me to the side to basically put Bantu knots in my hair. This is a way to make my hair dry faster. Now I am under the dryer with my Bantu knots. I guess because my hair is not that long, they don't have to roller set it like other clients. So yeah, it didn't take them long to do that. I was under the dryer for literally like an hour and a half to 2 hours. I was just kind of getting irritated and I was so hot. As you can see, my face started turning red and I was just like, what's going on? Can you get me out of here? Get me out from this dryer. And I actually had a seminar to go to, so I was trying to go. So we eventually got to the blowout process, which this doesn't take long at all. It takes about 20 minutes to blow out the hair. So yes, the blowout process wasn't that bad. Yes, they do use high heat to achieve this look, but the treatment really helps with strengthening the hair. I love the results. Hey, look at me. Hey, when natural girls get their hair blown out. Yes, I love how my hair feels. It's so bouncy and fluffy. So this style really lasted me for 1 week. It did not last that long. However, I just still like the fact that I was able to see how long my hair has grown. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be making more YouTube videos about my natural hair process. And I hope you guys follow me on this natural hair journey. Love you, Naturalistas. Bye.